but it's in there. Okay. So next what you got to do is you got to get a sock and you have to put it in there. Because when you're trying to pull this out, if this falls in there, you're gonna have to pull your out. So I got a sock and you jam it into there. I'll do it with both my hands off camera, so that way if anything falls, it doesn't fall into there. Alright, see? Just like that. Now, nothing can fall in there. Okay, let's get pulling of this bushing. Alright, see? So, I got a whole bunch of random bolts. See, look, I found the correct size. So, you want it to be the same size as this, but the threads to be a little bit bigger. See? Look, see that? Okay, also, if you got your bushing here, see, look it won't fit, but you could screw it in. That's the idea, right? And it'll create its own thread, basically. It's like a tab, right? Anyways, so you're gonna go screw this, right? See, look, I'll get the camera in here. It might be upside down. It is what it is. So you're gonna get this in here with your hand, and you're gonna screw this into the bushing. See? Sorry if you can't see. Yeah, you can see. Okay, ready? Start screwing it in, and it'll catch. Okay, then you're gonna grab a ratchet, and you're gonna start screwing it in, making a new thread. I need both my hands for this, but it will catch. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay, see, look, I got the ratchet on it. It's going in. So you keep screwing it in all the way until it goes in right to the end. And the second it goes into the end, it will pull the bushing out. Okay, so I'll screw it in all the way off camera. I'll see you guys in a second. And yeah, we are sideways here because it's hard to fit the camera in. See? Like that. Okay, see you guys in a sec. Okay, it's in all the way. So now watch. When I turn it, see, look. Can you see that? Hard to see, but yeah, the bushing is starting to slide out. Okay, so usually the bushing would start to slide out, but in our case, it's actually spinning now. So, I mean, it'll come out. So, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get a crowbar and I'm gonna put it in and pull on this. And as I'm pulling on it, I'm gonna spin it with the wrench and that'll pull it out. Yeah, just gently. This is aluminum. Don't go too bananas. Okay, I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay, see? So, I got a crowbar in here. It's hard to record this, but I'm trying to get it. See? So, now watch. See, I can push on it or pull on it. And as I'm pulling on it, if I spin it, it'll come out. I don't know, I'll try to record it, but I don't think I can. Seems to be coming out. Ready? There it is. Easy peasy. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is inside of here, gonna get some brake cleaner, some Q-tips. We're gonna clean this hole perfectly. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Alright, so it is spotless, as you can see. So now I'm gonna get a little bit of bearing grease and I'm gonna put it in there. Okay, see, just like that. I greased it up a little bit, no big deal. And in the past, I've actually done this differently, where I heated the engine up a little bit with the heat gun. And then I took the bushing and I kept it in the freezer overnight. So it would shrink, cause cold makes it shrink, heat expands. But I'm gonna try doing it without that this time, because just to save some time. So I got a 7C with like a flange here. So what you can do is go like this. I'm gonna put some grease on the outside of it, and we can put it in the hole on an extension and tap it with a hammer and try to get it in there. So we'll do that right now. Alright, see, so there it is. So now I can go like this. Oh yeah, okay. And I'm gonna give it some taps here. I'll put the camera in a different spot, unfortunately. Anyways, okay, ready? Oh yeah, it's going in very easy, nice and straight. See, look, okay. So now the socket's in all the way. So now I will just get something flatter here. Hang on, okay. I just got a couple random extensions or whatever. So I'll just go like this and give it a tap and it'll go in. Give it a couple taps and she'll go right in. Alright, check it out, that totally works, she's in. So now I'm gonna grab bearing grease, put on my finger and blob it in there. That's what they say in the instructions, and honestly, I think the rest you can fix.